Welcome to JH. I've been looking into latte stem cell drops to see if they live up to the hype. The brand suggests these drops can tighten loose skin on the arms, reduce necklines, lift the chest area, and even refine your facial features. These are certainly ambitious claims for any product. It arrives in a premium green dropper bottle with an organic aesthetic. The formula relies on two main components: stem cell peptides and collagen peptides. Regarding stem cell peptides, the technology is quite recent, and there isn't much scientific proof yet that they provide significant results. Collagen peptides have more backing and could potentially enhance skin texture over time, though your specific results will depend on your unique biology, diet, and daily habits. I searched Trustpilot for user feedback, but found no reviews at all, making it difficult to gauge real-world performance. Given these factors, I wouldn't anticipate dramatic transformations. Any changes you notice will likely be very minor. If you decide to test it out, ensure you use a secure payment method and maintain realistic goals. It might be a helpful supplement to your skincare, but it isn't a magic solution for aging or sagging skin.